Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to pattern number 53, 52. Now we are going to see the pattern number 53. What is this pattern? Sir, it is the same like this one. In the first row, reverse operation I am doing. In the first row, I need 5 stars. In the second row, I need 4 stars. In the third row, I need 3 stars. In the second row, I need 2 stars. In the first row, I need 1 star. Like this, we are going to take. Sir, here we printed the value of j, right? So if you print j value, what output we got? So we got like this. But in this place, don't print j value. Try to print I. Since we are starting from the fifth row, automatically we are going to get from the fifth row onwards. You can see first we got 5 fives, next we got 4 fours, next we got 3 threes, next we got 2 twos, next we got 1 1. Like that we are going to get. So this is nothing but how we can able to implement this pattern called 53. I think you people understood this particular pattern also. Okay. Thank you, friends.